Good evening and welcome to a new Disneyland Paris vlog. So after yesterday's shenanigans, we thought we would come into the parks a little bit late today. It is currently 26 minutes past 6, so we won't have long in the parks. However, we didn't know whether we were going to be able to get a reservation today because we kind of booked it last minute because there weren't any available. And then all of a sudden the waiting list became available. If you're wondering what we're on about, we are annual pass holders, so we have to book reservations and we're only allowed 3 reservations at a time. And today, being the last day of the 30th, was very, very busy. So about a couple of hours ago, we found out that we did have a reservation. We were going to do a Disney date night, but now we're going to do our Disney date night inside the park instead of outside the park. So that's really exciting. We're just starting the vlog now as we're coming down our favourite road, which is the one with the castle and the Disneyland Hotel. How are you doing today, Lloyd, after yesterday's fun and games?
Tired.
Tired.
Although we did sleep.
We did. We
like
had
8 hours, didn't we?
We did. We had such a good sleep.
Yeah. That was
we
good.
we just didn't set an alarm. We got ourselves into bed about 4. after the drive back, and now we're a bit more awake.
I mean, I feel okay. I am a little bit tired, but I'll always get myself up and ready for Disney. And
here we are at the entrance. Looks like such a lovely evening.
Mickey's open again.
Yay! Mickey!
Although I say boo,
oh, it's my turn.
The automated thing, isn't it?
Oh, do you think?
Yeah, it is.
Oh man, here we go.
Oh gosh, there's one.
Oh, I think you may be on the curb. So we just scan?
Yeah.
Whereabouts?
You've got to...
Oh, like the QR code. Beautiful sunset.
It is, isn't it? What a beautiful sunset. So nice, with a beautiful wife. Can we just appreciate what Becky's wearing today? She's got her lovely Steamboat Willie ears, and then this amazing dress and boots.
Oh, my head.
So cool.
Oh, and the Mickey bag.
Yeah, and the Mickey bag. And
Mickey earrings.
Mickey earrings.
It's all about
Mickey
well. Today.
Look at this. So nice. Seeing the 30th decorations. It's really sad. It is all we've known actually, isn't it? Yeah. Never known it without. For dinner, we did have booked the Silver Spur Steakhouse, I think it's called. But it didn't come through as a reservation, and it didn't come through to our email, and so we were clicking around and we managed to get a cheeky box for this evening, which is amazing. So
I know we've been loads, but we thought as it's the 30th and it's Disney date night,
it's got to be done.
We thought, why not?
Yeah, exactly, it's got to be done. Got a main street view. This is the side street. You can't really see anything anyway, but it's all nice in here, isn't it? Lovely. I think we're in the Fantasyland area of Walt's. Then it's still the last day of the 30th, and still the 30th cocktails and things. So these are still on offer, but we might go for some champagne. Date night special.
This area is really pretty, isn't it?
It's really nice, yeah. I think, we were just saying this is our favourite area. Even though you don't have the main street view, you've got the ambiance, isn't it?
It feels really like, I don't know, you feel like it's a bit later and evening-y, if that
true.
makes any sense.
It feels a bit more like bougie.
So our champagne and bread.
Well, my bread,
That's alright.
not your bread.
Sadly,
Your bread is on its way.
it is.
Cheers. Go for it. Look at that. Beautiful.
This is hot.
Thank you.
So our mains have arrived. I've got the chicken as usual, and Lloyd's got the chilli as usual.
Standard chili. Little pot. Mickey head on it. I've got the pineapple upside down cake for dessert. And Becky is not able to have much on the menu, but there's ice cream from the kids' menu.
Extra fruits and a flower.
Yeah. Edible flower. You're going to eat it? Yeah. So how was your meal?
It was very nice as usual.
Delish.
They substituted out the purple potatoes.
Oh yeah.
Sweet potatoes.
Sweet potato.
So I think it was even better than before. And I also like it in the evening. It's different vibes.
Different vibes, yeah. Yeah, in the evening.
How was your meal?
Oh, it's amazing. It's so good.
It's like your favourite, isn't it?
We get the same things every time, apart from the dessert. That was new, the pineapple upside down cake, but that was a good addition. The fact it's warm as well.
And what do you prefer?
I like the lemon meringue pie. There's something about lemon meringue pie. But that was good. I mean, it's not bad. Yeah. Really tasty. This is...
It's always a winner, isn't it?
We highly recommend coming here. We know it's slightly more expensive than the normal restaurant around Disneyland Paris, but it's good. We love it. We love it with the ambiance and the good stuff.
Ambiance.
So we've just finished our dinner and we've popped into Lily's Boutique, I think this is, right next to it. We've got these cool mugs.
Nice, aren't they?
Yeah, very similar to our mugs. We've got in red.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Oh, look, I really still want these bowls.
A set of 3 bowls.
Very cool, aren't they?
They are called nest bowls. Snacks. Snack bowls. So we tried to get on to Pirates as a little ride to finish the evening, but sadly they blocked it off already. They're like, it's closed up here.
I suppose it's to get everyone out of the cars because there's so many people in here.
There are a lot of people, yeah.
It's crazy. We could pop down to Phantom Manor. We could.
Maybe. So we didn't get on a ride in the end.
No, we did see that we could get a 30th champagne flute, but sadly
they've run out of those.
run out.
Now we're
We
just...
could get one with champagne in earlier and we should have done it, Lloyd.
Oh no, oh dear. Oh well, doesn't matter.
It wasn't meant to be.
No, that's it. And now we're just waiting out for the last Disney delight ever. So we're just walking back to the car now, but what a lovely end to Disney date day, Disney date evening, date night. Disney
Get
date.
it right, Lloyd.
Disney date night.
So nice.
It was lovely, wasn't
when
it?
the little fireworks sprung up
I know.
at the end.
That was amazing.
Everyone was like, ooh,
I was, if you listen
were.
back to the footage, I was like, ooh,
you're so happy.
caught me off guard.
They
But
were really good.
yeah, nice way to end the 30th celebrations. So if you did enjoy this vlog, then please give it a huge thumbs up.
And
Describe.
and subscribe if you haven't already.
And we shall see you on our next Disneyland Paris vlog.
Bye.
Bye.